In this video, we're creating a simple yet fun click counter using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's a beginner-friendly project that helps you understand how to track user interactions and dynamically update content on a web page. This type of counter is often used in small web apps, games, or dashboards, and it's a perfect starting point for learning how JavaScript works in real time. A click counter might look simple, but it teaches some of the most important concepts in web development: interaction, logic, and dynamic updates. In this project, we're combining HTML, CSS, and JS to create a clean, interactive card that keeps track of how many times you click the button. Every time you press the plus click button, JavaScript increases the counter and updates the number instantly on the page. When you hit reset, the value goes back to 0, all in real time, without refreshing the page. This example shows the power of JavaScript's ability to manipulate the DOM. That means changing what users see based on their actions. You can take the same idea and expand it into other applications: tracking scores in games, monitoring progress, counting likes, or recording activity on a website. What makes it great for beginners is how visual and immediate the feedback is. You can see your clicks turn into code that reacts. It's not just numbers, it's an introduction to interactive design and how users can directly shape what happens on screen. Simple, practical, and surprisingly powerful. This click counter is one of those small projects that gives you a real sense of how web development comes alive. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.